trade DCX on Coinstore. Step 1. Go to Coinstore.com and click on Spot at the top bar. Step 2. Click on the small arrow beside the trading pair on the left of the screen below the Coinstore logo to open the search bar to search for DCX. Step 3. Once you have selected the pair you want to trade in, you are ready to place the buy or sell order from the right side of the screen. Select Buy or Sell DCX. Step 4. Now that you've decided to buy DCX, select the type of order you want to place. Either limit or market order. Step 5. Enter the price and quantity of DCX that you want to buy. Then click on the Buy button at the bottom. Congratulations, you have successfully traded DCX coin. Make sure to join our amazing community.